The boss is back. Welcome back, family. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, my name is Linda / the boss. I am the CEO and founder of designbytheboss.com. The link will be in my description box down below. If you're a minimalist, this video is not for you, baby. Now let's get it done like a boss. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your like it. Home Decor Trends 2022. Let the design flow, baby. Design by the boss.
Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling low.
If you haven't seen my website yet, what are you waiting for? The link will be in my description box down below. Remember to subscribe because you can have 10% off on your first order. When Jesus says yes, nobody can say no. I am come from nothing to something. Welcome back, family. A big thank you to you because of your amazing support. Now I am the founder and owner of DBTB, Design by the Boss. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like it. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. Let's get started. Welcome to our online store, Design by the Boss. Your home is your happy place. To make things easy for you, now you can shop at my store through my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by.
I'm trying my best to hold on.
Guys, this is a little bit of my background. I remember where I am from, like in the middle of nowhere. Wait for God, wait for your turn. Fama de yo tout le temps.
Wood. And before you, there was no one who stood.
Welcome to our formal living room. In today's video, I am going to show you our formal living room with different colors, different design, and a different angle. I hope you like it. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. Everything you see in this video will be in our website. I hope you like it. The link will be in my description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe because you can have 10% off on your first order. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home Decor Trends 2023. Let the design flow, baby. Design by the boss. Okay, family, I received so many emails. You guys want to have a lot of my pieces on the website, and you guys asking me if I ship out to UK, Guada, and Canada. Yes, we do. We ship all over the world, okay? So that means you can have a piece of my home in your home. Your home is your happy place. And you guys, thank you so much for all of your support. Thank you for everything. I have a lot of orders and I always have to ship out. I don't have time anymore. Yes, the boss is back. Guys, I try to create some times for you to make a few videos, but I am very, very busy with this business. The Lord is my shepherd. Thank you guys so much for your amazing support. Thank you so much for everything, guys. Your support, oh my goodness. Thank you and thank you. Now keep on watching. For some of you who doesn't know who I am, my name is Linda. In this video, I am going to give you a little bit of my backstory. Maybe one day I will give you the full story. I am Asian Canadian. When I used to live in Canada, I used to go to school for nursing. A few minutes just to give you a little bit of my background. Everything you see in these pictures is a similar lifestyle that I grew up with. The lady in the picture is no different to what my mom used to do to take care of us, like to pay our school fees. I had a rough childhood. Whatever God had planned for you, can nobody take it away.
Just tell me where you are.
Coucou la famille, avant de commencer la vidéo, je prends quelques minutes juste pour te donner un peu de mon parcours. Tout ce que vous voyez sur ces images, c'est le village où j'ai grandi. De la poussière où tire le pauvre, du fumier il relève l'indigent pour les faire asseoir avec les grands et avec les grands de son peuple. mais m'a profité pendant un petit temps pour me capable dire que côté me sortir. Ouais kay sa yo, c'est nan yon la ko kon sa moi grandi. Dame sa wa ka planter du riz, c'est comme ça maman me te kon planter du riz pour te capable payer l'école nous. Merci en pile. Moi espère que vous prenez une leçon.
Lost again, going back around. Dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are?
Hey family, welcome back. Welcome to another video designed by the boss. If you are new, welcome. My name is Linda / the boss. I am the founder and owner of DBTB Designed by the Boss. The link will be in my description box down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit the notification bell, and YouTube will notify you for whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay ki janouye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne.
Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart.
As you guys can see, I have my little helper with me in today's video. Now it's time to put on our pillow covers. Guys, I have tons of pillow covers you can choose from our website. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe because you can have 10% off on your first order. As you can see, they have I have so many unique designs you can choose from.
Lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far.
Coucou la famille, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je me présente, mon nom est Linda / le patron. Maintenant, vous pouvez magasiner dans mon magasin en ligne. Le lien sera dans ma boîte de description ci-dessous. J'ai tellement de belles pièces que vous pouvez choisir, vous les aimerez. Merci beaucoup pour votre soutien affectueux. À la prochaine. Mon nom est Linda / le patron.
If I come too far, pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is your rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard. Send a little love, I'll make it back. Got so tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately, there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you. With you. Are you out there dancing alone? Are you up on your own? Baby, I wanna know just how many days will go till I call.
Bonjour, bonsoir, amis, famille, moi, comment vous. Je dis à montrer la caille avec une nouvelle vidéo. Si c'est la première fois que vous regardez, moi, c'est Linda et ma bienvenue sur la chaîne là. Sur la chaîne, ça me poste un pile de déco, moi, t'as remis pour vous partir de famille là. S'il te plaît, pas oublier abonner, liker vidéo ça et puis partager avec vos amis. Kounya, pas oublier ou ka magasiner dans site moyen. Je mettre le lien pour dans la description box là. Ou capable aller sur designbytheboss.com and then ou capable shop tout ça moi-même moi gen la kay moi. Merci pour support.
Are you out? Are you out there dancing alone? Are you up? Are you up? Are you up on your own? Baby, I wanna know just how many days will go.
Okay guys, this beautiful piece you see right there, I am going to put on the coffee table, is available on our website. Check the description box for the link. And guys, like I said, don't forget to subscribe because you can have 10% off on your first order. As you can see, they are so beautiful, heavy. I think they are perfect to elevate any space, like for your entryway, coffee table, side table. They are so pretty. I love them.
Just how many days will go till I call, till I call, till I call you my own. Waiting on the day when we don't feel the same. We've come a long way. Don't ever let it change. No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I've got
The throw blanket is available on our website. The centerpiece on the coffee table is available. The pillow cover, they are available with different color, different design. And the coffee mug, like the handbag shape, is available as well on the website. Guys, thank you so much for your love and support. I hope you like this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. The boss is packed, baby.
put your faith in me. So keep on going. We got good things coming our way. Waiting on the day when we got nothing to say, when there's no one to blame. I'm not letting it fade, so don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got good things coming. Put your faith your heart. Keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo. Be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time in my next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine. Male, au revoir, adios, bye. Like I said, the link will be in my description box down below. And not forget to subscribe because you can have 10% off on your first order. Thank you so much for stopping by. The pillow covers, like the decorative bags, the piece on the coffee table, the everything will be in my description box down below for you. Check the description box. Au revoir.
In here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 짙은 안개 속을 걷고 있어 외로운 그 발걸음. It's a lone voyage. 정처 없이 떠돌다